excited po ako kasi po para po sa akin napakalaking privilege po yun. Kasi sa Catholic po, I'm very proud po para na makita ko po siya and marinig ko po yung mga pwede niya po sabihin para sa amin. Nakaka-excite rin kasi ilang beses na rin nag-expect yung mga Escolarians na pumunta siya dito.
I would like to thank God for making this happen. Natuloy na rin ang Faith Explored sa CEU. As I was entering the campus and getting up here, I noticed how good and kind the students are. The year 2014 has been declared as the year of the laity. An opportunity for us to appreciate the gift, the grace, and also the mission of lay people in the church.
Life is a daily test of your faith. How trusting are you in God's love?
Every moment is a moment of encounter. Lalo na ngayon, siya'y nabuhay na maguli. Hindi na siya mamamatay, laging kapiling. Now, this person of Christ who comes to us, and we hope we will come to Him, He is our way to holiness and heroism. Called to be saints, sent forth as heroes.
Sobrang nakaka-inspire, tsaka yung nare-refresh yung mind namin, especially ngayon na teenager kami.
Holiness for us is becoming godlike. How? By following Jesus. By being in harmony with the will of the one who sent Him. Nandoon ang kabanalan ni Jesus. Hindi mo makikilala kung sino ka kung hihiwalay ka sa Diyos Ama. This is another element of holiness, which in Jesus meant heroism. Pakikiisa sa kapwa. Dala ng wagas na pag-ibig. At ang pakikiisa na yan, humantong sa pag-aalay ng buhay.
How can the youth play an important role in the year of the laity?
Aside from yung sinabi natin doon sa video presentation, read the Bible, learn about your faith, participate in the sacraments, get to know the church, participate in the mission and the ministries of the church, I will add something. Contribute to the year of the laity, the gift of youth, which nobody else could give but the youth.
Gusto ko lang po itanong kung ano po yung inyo pong pwedeng maipayo sa amin po, lalo na po sa mga kabataan. Ngayon po ang panahon namin ay umiikot na lamang madalas po sa mga high-tech gadgets and sa social media po.
Through digital technology, minsan nasasanay ka na sa virtual. Alam mo pa ba kung ano ang real? Let us not kill within ourselves the search for truth. Let us not believe that truth is just a matter of virtual reality or survey or paramihan na lang ng like.
Parang ma-realize mo sa sarili mo na ay dapat pala, ito na yung time para to change.